seagull or something? See that bird out there flocking in the water? Oh! Got him, Stu?
Yeah, got him.
Alright, I'm the gaffer. Stu, hold him. I'm gonna see if we can't get us another one.
I got a dolphin. I got a dolphin
Stu.
on. But, yeah, I got the dolphin on. Pulling him up.
Leave him right there. There's another one. See the group with him?
Yep. There.
Damn, that's a big one right there.
4, 5.
I've cast it over you, so prepare to dodge. You got the big one, Stu. Nice.
Get a shot of this. Bill.
Tell me when he's gaffable. I'm working on dinner over here.
You got that? That's beautiful. Wow. He's hung good, so take your time. Oh! First, real fish on the real boat, Regulator. That's how we do it. We put them in the cooler, eat them tonight. Number 2 today. Keep tapping for me. Awesome. He ain't off, man.
That's awesome. This is awesome.
Phil's hooked, the cameraman's hooked up.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Double up, man.
Woo!
Good gaff. Good gaff.
Gracias, amigo. Beautiful fish.
Look, he's right beside the boat. On him right in the eyeball. It's good. It's good. Yeah, leave that thing in him.
Warplane, baby! Love it! Here they come, here they come. Look at the water's turned blue again. Look, Stu, look to your right.
Ooh, got one. Ooh, it's a big one.
Where you
Still,
at?
actually, I might better reel this one in. I swear I'll let you get the next one. This really is a big one.
Trying to match it. Trying to get his brother.
And if it wasn't such a big one, I swear I'd be letting you reel him in right now.
That's the best thing I've had in a long time. No
Look
problem
at
getting that.
Wow. Nice. I caught another one. Big old camo 4x4.
Take that damn lure.
That's pretty fish there, buddy. Reel him in, nice and gentle. Yeah, watch the language there, bud.
Sorry.
Remember, my channel is PG-13.
I can't control my language. I can't control my language in my man. It's hard.
We're doubled up here. I gotta put the camera down. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
God, this is probably the best day of fishing I've had in a long time.
Oh, I got him! I got him!
You got him making water?
That's awesome, man. You are the man. You know who else is the man?
Cameraman.
Adam Tysinger right here, who provided all the
Tackle.
tackle and rods. You know, without my experienced captain knowledge, this wouldn't even have been a trip. Right, Tim?
Yeah.
We would have been hung up on a sandbar trying to get an overcoat. He's a fighter.
Yes, he is.
He ain't going nowhere though. There we go. Boy.
Watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet.
Look down in there. What does that put us up to what?
Can't see the bottom.
10?
10 or 11. Alright, we need to regroup.
We're probably about,
You can't see, well...
we're about 4 miles offshore from Ocracoke, North Carolina, out in the Atlantic Ocean.
Good estimate, good estimate.
If you come out of the Ocracoke Inlet, coming out into the Atlantic Ocean, bear 120 degrees on the compass, and it'll bring you right to the spot that we're at, 4 miles. We're catching the hell out of some dolphin today.
Look at that picture right there. Beautiful, man. Dorado, Mahi, Dolphin.
All inside the boat now.
There we go. Just gonna bring him in.
So I know we gaffed a lot of dolphin out there today, and gaffing is how you get the dolphin in the boat. I know it's cruel and unusual for all the people that aren't used to seeing that, but at the end of the day, you know, you eat the fish that you catch. And these are 2 fillets from 1 fish. You have 1 fillet from each side of the fish, and this is probably good for 1 meal for 1 person, so 1 fish per person per day. Yeah, go out and like today we caught 12 dolphin, so that could last a person like me for 12 days if I ate nothing but dolphin. But anyways, we hope you enjoyed the video from today, and there'll be many more to come. I'll do a cooking episode soon on how to prepare dolphin, and this should be my first cooking episode, so it should be pretty interesting. But as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for more cool videos from Camo.